Most people are making mushroom puree the wrong way. Today, I will show you the restaurant-style method, perfect for mushroom soup, risotto, and creamy Alfredos. Let's make it silky, rich, and full of flavor. First, we dice our onions. Onions give the puree a naturally sweet, savory base and add depth to the final flavor. Next, we chop our celery. It adds freshness, subtle earthiness, and helps build the classic aromatic base. Now, our leeks. They bring a delicate sweetness and a mild onion flavor without empowering the mushrooms. Garlic adds warmth and another layer of savory base that works beautiful with the mushrooms. Rosemary goes in next. I prefer fresh rosemary because it gives us a brighter, more aromatic flavor than dry rosemary, especially when blended into a delicate puree. For the mushrooms, we are using 400 grams of button mushrooms and 800 grams of brown mushrooms. This combination gives us a beautiful balance of mild flavor, deep earthiness, and a richer overall taste. We want them small enough to cook uniformly and release their natural moisture, while still keeping all that delicious mushroom flavor. Now, in a hot pan, add olive oil. We saute the aromatics gently to release their natural flavors without burning them. After a few minutes, it's time for our mushrooms. This is where patience makes the difference. The mushrooms will release their natural moisture as they cook, so keep everything moving. If you're enjoying this video so far, don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more amazing, easy homemade recipes. We gently mix and flip the pan to make sure the vegetables and mushrooms are cooking uniformly. We don't want anything sticking to the bottom or burning, because a little burnt vegetable can give the final puree a bitter and unpleasant flavor. Keep cooking until the mushrooms become tender and release their moisture. We are not trying to fry them until they are dry. We want to preserve that deep, concentrated mushroom flavor. Now, we add our cooking cream. The cream brings richness, body, and a beautiful smooth texture to the puree. Without it, the mushroom flavor is more intense and earthy. With it, we get a richer, creamy, and more luxurious finish. Bring everything to a gentle simmer over a medium heat. Avoid high heat because we want the flavors to develop slowly without scorching the cream or vegetables. Keep gentle mixing and flipping as it simmers. Once everything is tender, creamy, and beautiful combined, we are ready for the next step. Transfer everything into a clean bowl and cover it with cling film. Prickle a few small holes into the film to allow steam to escape whilst protecting the moisture from contamination as it cools. Once cooled, transfer into a blender and add butter. Blend until smooth. Look at that, velvety, silky, restaurant-style mushroom puree packed with deep mushroom flavor. Perfect for mushroom soup, risottos, Alfredo, and much more. Check out my playlist for more easy homemade recipes. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Till we meet in the next episode, peace out.